Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to find all the shared photos in a chat on the Telegram app for PC. If you've ever had a moment where you're scrolling through endless messages trying to find an old picture, this update makes everything much easier. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, look through your chats and pick the conversation you want. This could be with a friend, a group, or even a channel where photos have been shared before. Go ahead and click on that chat to open it. Now, instead of scrolling back through the entire chat history, there's a simple shortcut. At the very top of the chat window, you'll see the name of the person or the group. Click on that name, and this will open the chat's information panel. This section contains useful details about the chat, and it's where we'll find what we're looking for. Inside this information panel, you'll notice different categories like media, files, and links. To see just the photos, look for the section labeled Photos and click on it. Right away, you'll have access to every single picture that's been shared in that chat, neatly organized in one place. From here, you can scroll through the entire collection of images without digging through messages. You can also click on any photo to see it in a larger view, download it, or even forward it to someone else. It's a clean and efficient way to revisit shared memories, save important images, or just keep everything better organized. This update on Telegram for PC really helps cut down on wasted time and makes viewing your media straightforward. Whether you're using it to retrace an old conversation, recover an important photo, or just browse through the pictures you've exchanged, the process is now quick and simple. That's all it takes to find all shared photos in any chat. Open the app, select your chat, click on the chat's name, and head into the Photos section. In just a few clicks, you'll have everything you need.